Hey guys, today is Monday the 30th. It's about 5:17 in the evening. Trying out my GoPro 7. I didn't do much on Saturday. It was a perfect day. I should have, but considering what day it was, I decided not to do nothing. It was going to be the day of rest for me. Then I went to do work Sunday outside, and it was pouring down rain. Well, let me show you. I'm up at my log splitter. My neighbor over there is borrowing it, so I just bring up where I'm going to split. That's my third load of wood coming up here. That's what I've split so far. It's about 45 degrees out, but it feels like 40. I don't know. I don't have my phone on me, so I really don't know what's the exact temperature is. But I know I got gloves. If I got gloves, it's cold. Just a couple updates. Probably get another one here around Wednesday or Thursday. As long as the weather's nice the next 2 days, New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, I'm going to do work so I don't have to go back to work on until Thursday. Another 2-day week. But if you take a look, I got my garden cut down. I had the tarp laid out. I'm going to get it real quick because it's almost, well, you see it goes right about in here. Now let's see where this thing is. I got a wind blows. I only lose about 2 feet, if that. If I'm just going to lay this tarp out, so it's something like a 40 by 40. So I'm going to have 40 feet this way. I don't know how many feet the other way. Probably somewhere around 20. But I took care of that. I still got some more to mow down, but a little at a time. Got my tomato cages up there against the fence. I got to go put those away. Got my garden hose out of the way. Now I haven't done my rose bushes, prickly bushes, but my backyard's clean, getting better where I can see what I gotta take care of. Now since I got all that done, it took me until, I don't know, about 4 o'clock to come out here today. It's just been that cold. Trying to get myself motivated to come out in the cold. I'm not a cold person anymore. I've been doing good, but when I'm off, as long as I'm around the house, sorry about that. Nose running. I use my cane a lot, except for when I'm out here working. It's not just me trying to use a cane and work. So I gotta take breaks to get stuff done. Now I'm all the way back up in the front. You guys might not get my boy unless I edit him in. He's inside, he's not outside. But take a look. I've got a lot of my yard picked up. And I got to burn stuff. Got to go up and do the fire pit otherwise than that. Yeah, that's about it. Alright, I'll catch you guys later. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright, well, like I said, it's later. I'm in. And there's Rocster. Yes, my boy. Look at him. Look at him. Wiki, 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 wiki. Come on. Gonna say hi to everybody? Okay. Alright, guys. Yeah. I know, I need to quit smoking. Again, you guys, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for visiting. Bye-bye.